Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Avery. Today I'm walking you through my experience of getting a $300 sign-up bonus with a new Citi checking account. I'll be breaking down the timeline, the steps I took, and how you could do it too. If you're thinking about signing up for a new bank account and want to maximize your rewards, you're in the right place. And I have a more detailed, in-depth video on this Citi new checking account sign up bonus on my YouTube channel. I'll link it down in the description. If you want more details on it, you can check out that video. So yes, this is the offer right here. As you see, I'm on the page. So right now this offer is currently going on from July 9th through October 8th. You just open the account online through the promo page. So I opened my account on July 18th, 2024, and the minimum initial deposit required to open the account is $25. So when I opened the account, I funded it with $25. I basically just transferred money from an external bank account, a different bank account that I have, and I transferred that money from that account to the new Citi checking account. And that was seamless, did not take long. And the day after I opened the account, I got an email from Citi stating that they were sending my debit card to me. So I got the debit card pretty much like a week or a little bit less than that from when I opened the account. Did not take long for that. So I, had the online banking going on. I signed up for it where you can log it into the account. I actually already had a Citi credit card. So I already had an account with Citi, but that's not the reason why I got the bonus offer. So yeah, I had the online account set up with Citi. So I was able to log into the checking account, see everything. And so after opening the account and having the initial deposit, the next step basically for me was to determine how much I want to deposit into the account through the enhanced direct deposits to get that $1,500 or more within 90 calendar days. So through one of my employers, I get paid every 2 weeks, and I pretty much calculated how much I need to deposit within 90 days to get that $1,500 or more for this offer. So first on July 26th, you see there I had a direct deposit of $350. Then 2 weeks from there, I did a direct deposit of $400. And then 2 weeks from there, I did another direct deposit of $400. And then 2 weeks after that, a direct deposit of $350. And so with those 4 direct deposits right there, I met the requirement of at least $1,500 or more in enhanced direct deposits. So I met that requirement on September 6, 2024 with that 4th direct deposit right there. So at that point, I had the amount of $1,500 direct deposit into this new checking account. And that was within the 90 calendar days from when I opened the account on July 18th, 2024. After my direct deposits, I wasn't keeping the money in this Citi checking account. I use other accounts more than this account. So I was transferring the money from this account with Citi to an external bank account that I use more often. And I just kept the Citi account open. I actually did not even keep a balance on this account, just lingering, just staying there, because with this offer, they just state that the new Citi checking account has to be open in good standing. They don't state anything about a positive balance or anything like that. On some sign-up bonus offers, you have to keep some kind of a positive balance in the account. And on those sign-up bonus offers, I make sure to talk about that and state that and do that when I'm actually applying for the offer myself. But for this offer with Citi, you didn't have to keep any kind of certain positive balance in the account. You just had to keep it open. Sometimes on the same day when I had the direct deposit in my account, I would transfer it out. Sometimes it would be like a few days later, I would transfer it out. So I was pretty much, getting the direct deposit in this account, having it settled and processed and everything, and then transferring that amount to an external bank account. And so the third step, as you see here, it states that your bonus will be deposited as a credit to your open eligible checking account within 30 calendar days after you have completed all required activities. Only new checking account customers can take advantage of this offer. So of course I met that requirement, and I go over eligibility and more details in that detailed video on this sign up bonus with the link down in the description. So at that point on September 6, 2024, I met the requirements for the direct deposits on step 2. And then boom, on September 12th, 2024, I got the $300 credit deposited into my account from Citi, and it is listed as transaction type dividend and interest. And of course, it will be reported likely to the IRS. So it is something I'm going to have to report on my taxes. I'll likely get the form in the mail next year around January or February, the 1099-INT from Citi, stating that I received $300 from them. And boom, that is how I snagged the $300 cash bonus with Citi. I hope this breakdown helps you see how easy it can be to earn a sign-up bonus if you follow the right steps. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on banking, rewards, and all things finance. Thank you for watching Finance with Avery. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.